Hey guys, welcome to another video. This is take 300. Hopefully this one will make it right. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Hey guys. Hey guys, welcome to another video. Today we're going to talk about my old 84 200 Big Rig. I bought this in 2015. It was in, decent shape, but I did do a few little things to improve upon it and fix a few of the things, like the brakes and typical Honda stuff. So I'm just going to show you a few things on this old trike. I left the gas tank alone. I mean, it's in nice shape. Yes, there's a few blemishes and stuff, but I think it's too nice to really repaint. And I'm not doing a full-on restoration or anything. I did have the seat recovered. Did the brakes, polished these a little bit. Brakes all worked the way they should. They worked really nice. Painted the racks. Here we had to cut a little piece out. It was dented. Welded back in. Repainted the rack. This would be about 5 years ago. Here in the back, I did the same thing. I welded the piece up in here and dented. Painted the rack, but we had a box on here and it got loose one day and it scraped the paint off. So someday I'm just going to sand it down, kind of blend it back in, so it'll look nice when it's done. The decals are original. They're not perfect, but they're okay. We threw some new tires on it. The old ones were all weather cracked, of course, and leaking air. So down here, I did do a little bit of restoration on the lens and this piece here, repainted. I did do the rear differential and brakes, been all apart, clean, painted. Everything works the way it should work, quite proud of that. We painted the wheels, of course they were all rusty. And then for the last thing we did, we built this out of a four-wheeler. Just kind of cut it up to fit here. And this is why a lot of people, they would break the fenders off. There was nothing here, so you'd get this caught into a stump. One way or the other, that would break off. Now, I'm kind of a long-legged guy, so when I'm actually riding this trike, I like to get up on here, and I put my feet a little bit forward, it just lowers a little bit, and I got the old man suicide shifter here, so I'm having a great time. And also, as you guys know, the 84 had the reverse, the high-low range, electric start, and shaft drive. One little tidbit that a lot of people won't know, they think Honda was the first one with the trike with reverse, but it wasn't. Suzuki had a little LT 125 in 1983, so a year before this one, that actually had reverse. So it's an awesome little trike, and we'll show you that in another video.
From LA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, babe. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, babe. Been 1,020, spent 100 hundreds. Money come and gone, let's get straight to it. Been a businessman, it's bigger than music. I was on the better with like 8 units. What's for sale, I might buy it all. Don't wanna put in work, now you just wanna ball. Got Louis bags with no money in them. Bigger the lie, the harder they fall. Fast route, for me it's always been a cash route. Back route, spend some money, switch a piece of cash out. Always been a stand-up guy, never back down. Curry's on my team and got some pack outs. Went from MIA to LA on the run like I don't got an estate. I went from LA to the A on the run, you can tell where I stay. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, babe. Counting all this paper, I chase no sleep, call me jet lag, babe. Savior on my city like I'm Luke Cage. This is real life, you're ballin' 2K. I was just a young count, loose change. Now I gotta come in 22 ways. 12-12s on me, no flu game. Same team, we the new way. I told my baby come and get some. What's hers mine and she here to stay. I said, do you love me? Why not though? I know I'm on the go, I'm on the run, girl. For the money, my bottles. I know I'm not from LA, I'm from...
Thanks for watching the video. Hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe.
New York, upstate though, we got dough, and we don't show no mercy, run the scope.